you guys, I'm Dr. Callahan and welcome to my class. So I'm going to give you a brief introduction about who I am and we'll go from there. Before I do that, you are here for math in B1 and you should have your guided notes from your sub in addition to this page right here. So what this is kind of like an about me profile, and essentially what I want you guys to do is to pause this video and then go ahead and fill this part out. So these are the things that I want you guys to go ahead and focus in on. First thing is, what are your hobbies? And then what are your strengths? What are some things about your family? Interesting facts about you, things that are your favorite, what are your weaknesses, and then 5 adjectives that you would describe you. And the last one is, what are your goals for this year? And lastly, of course, I want your name. So make sure you guys have that. Okay, so here's the introduction to my life. I have a PhD, and that's why there is a name doctor. So unlike Dr. Dre or Dr. Pepper, that just all of a sudden decided to have the term, I actually went to school for it. I'm also a National Board Certified Teacher, and there's only 2% of us that actually have that. Here are some of my work experiences. I started working at TMZC, I've been to UNR, worked at University of Phoenix, and this is actually my 17th year at Hug High School. So some things about my life. I am married. My husband's name is Silas. He's a civil environmental engineer. My mom's name is Min. My dad's name is Jack. And then I have one brother, and he's a mechanical engineer over at Lincoln Electrical. So we actually have a lot of math-minded people in my family. These are some outdated photos of my family. My husband, my brother, he's actually 26 now. This photo was taken of him when he was 17, so it's been a while. A photo of my mom and dad, and then a photo of my in-laws. So now you've met the whole family. I have 4 kids. This is my oldest. I know you can't tell that because this is when he was born, but this is Grayson. This is my second son. His name is Quentin. He's actually 7, and he's going into 2nd grade. Maddie is my youngest little boy, and he is 4. And then I have one girl, her name is Emma Bella, and she just turned 1. So this is a breakdown of where you should be in terms of classes. You could be in your Algebra 1 class, which are my freshmen, or you guys could be in Prov and Stats, which are my juniors and my seniors, or you could be in my AP Calculus class, which is right over here. But this is a flow chart of all the classes that's offered over at Hug High School. Okay, so the next thing you guys have is kind of like a scavenger hunt. I'm not quite sure how you're gonna be doing this, but maybe do the best that you can with social distancing, of course. Find somebody that shares this favorite soda, have a job, share a favorite movie of you, have the same eye color. Next thing you guys have is a Venn diagram. Essentially what I'm gonna have you guys do is compare one right here in the red, or actually it's now highlighted yellow. I want you to give me some characteristics of what did you not like about last year in regards to school, teacher, teaching style, classes, or maybe just your own habits. On the right side over here, that is right here in blue, what are your plans on doing something differently this year? Or what are your expectations for yourself, for your teachers, Hug High School, that is different from last year? So you have a red column and you have a blue column on your Venn diagram. Then in between right here, right there in green, what would you like to remain the same for both years? And I want 20 different characteristics, and it doesn't have to be 20 in each, it could be 20 in total. Okay, now comes your exit ticket. So find any space that you have on your work packet. Your exit ticket is in your Word. Write the word preparation. What does that look like to you? What does it mean to you? Draw me a picture, and then if you have time, watch that video on the very bottom. You just go ahead and click on it. Okay, so your homework tonight, and yes, you do have a little bit of assignments. I want you guys to go ahead and list 5 things that you would like to improve academically. I want you to go ahead and give me something that you would like to do socially, maybe go to prom if we have prom this year. Make sure you guys complete the scavenger hunt, and then also complete the About Me profile. That is it, you guys. Welcome to the group. I am super excited to meet you in person. Have a wonderful first day.